Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We're not a buy or sell channel, okay? We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, all of that good stuff, wrong stream, straight up. But if you're looking to learn how to trade these markets and trade them the right way, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Also, I know a lot of y'all were probably expecting Cash, but she had a doctor's appointment that she had to go to, so I hopped on to substitute for her, okay? So I hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to quickly start to share my screen with y'all. Okay, GU's having a little bit of a move right now. Let me know once y'all see my screen. Okay, those are the cells on GU. Nice supply rejection. Okay, so you could be in on a little feeler here right now, and this is what gold's looking like. We're distributing within this region. I even wouldn't mind that. This is for my more aggressive, my more experienced scalpers over here, people who are already part of the army of millionaires. And these are the others, all right? So US 30 is starting to look good. We're coming into a nice descending double top. Let's see if we want to break down and sort of get this move to the downside. Let's take a look at the RSI. It's looking good. Let's take a look at, as Cash always says, I'm going to quote Cash because I know a lot of you guys enjoy trading with her. DAX is an abstract painting, all right? Just the way she says it. It literally is. Look at that. Look at DAX. Literally, they're just going parallelly with that big ass gap in between. We're going to try and capitalize on this gap in case it wants to push down, or on this gap in case it wants to push up. Okay, so the move for DAX today is buying into supply and selling into demand. Okay, and then of course, if we want to possibly break out of that, we'll get into positions as well. But this is what we're looking at for right now. Only an impulse, okay? What's up, you guys? I'm going to open up the chat real quick. Is she okay? Yes, she's fine. Just a regular checkup, buddy. Just a doctor's appointment, just a regular checkup. Thank you for asking. She's good. Okay, what's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning, B2. Good morning, Kyle. Morning to Gaines. Morning, Zero. Shelby. Tusu. Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a good day. Also, today is a Friday. Y'all know what Fridays are known for, okay? Fridays are known for notoriously taking away the profits you've made over the week. My recommendation to you, either take really small trades today, or just don't trade. Straight up, okay? We've had a successful and a great week, and you don't want anything sort of taking that away from you, and these markets are known to do that, okay? So just letting you guys know. Let's take a look at the EMAs on the indices. Trading in between the 9 and the 200 for US 30. And we're in a nice little uptrend for DAX. Alright, this is the part I love. Let's take a look at the Forex Scalper Pro. Okay, so on DAX, we're attempting to go overbought across the board. I do believe that we could probably hit the 70 and maybe start to get rejected then, but nothing. Okay, as you guys can see, the Forex Scalper Pro, it's all just gray, which means that it's all just sideways trading. All right, nothing's overbought, nothing's oversold right now, so no opportunities as of right now. Okay, and here you go, a little bit of a retest. Let's see if that wants to play out. Okay, there you go. GU starting to fall down just a little bit. Is anyone in on GU, guys? Anyone in on this? Look at that. Nice little drop coming in on GU. Pull out your profits, man. It is tanking. That's Forex trading for you guys right there, okay? We get on the call, we give you a level, and boom. Get your profits out. It doesn't matter 3, 4, 5 pips because this is going to start to reverse, and look at how close we're to market open. Okay, we've got about 8 more minutes to the London Open. Don't risk it. Just take your profits. If you're getting your 5 pips, take your 5 pips and get done for the day. You don't need to hit your 10 pip, 20 pip, 15 pip, whatever your mark is for the day. You don't need to hit that. All right, even if you get 5 pips on Friday, adjust your risk management, and pull it out, okay? Because we had a nice drop on GU, but they are starting to pick up some buyers from there at this current moment, okay? Okay, the indices. 5 pips on small position GU. Good. If you're looking for 5 pips, your position should be slightly larger though, right? Because you need to play around with the risk management, and especially because the volatility is a lot, well, not the volatility, the volume, the liquidity for London is a lot different than what we're used to for New York, right? So smaller pips, higher lots. And in New York, higher pips, smaller lots. Okay, just watching. I'm not in on anything right now myself, you guys. Just watching. I'm going to wait for market open, see if an opportunity wants to present itself, and if it does, I will hop on. But if not, I'm not going to force anything, alright? I've had a great week. I've started trading a new account, and I'm enjoying it. I'm working on some new risk management techniques, and I'm just enjoying it, okay? So just letting you guys know, I am not going to actively be looking for anything today. If the opportunity comes to us, we'll grab it, but we're not going to force anything, okay? That's always been our motto here at Forex Trading. We don't chase these trades, we just do what we're good at, and we let the trades come to us, okay? What plans do you guys have for the weekend? I thought I wasn't going to talk to you all till next week, but here we are. What plans you'll have for the weekend? Also, is there anyone on here who's attending my stream for the first time? Is anyone here who just trades London with cash and hasn't been on a New York stream with me? Or have all of y'all already attended a stream with me? Today will be my first one-on-one. You have a one-on-one today, bro? I don't think so. Can you show gold for a quick second? Sure. Look at GU. Nice little fall. Nice little retest. And let's see. Okay, they could go and test it till here. Guys, give me a quick second, okay? I just need to take this call. Sorry about that, guys, but I hope y'all are in on GU. It looks like we're gonna go down and try to hit TP. Today will first time joining the live stream. Semester break ending. Gonna go back to college this weekend. That's a bummer, brother. Try to remove some time. Try to trade these markets, and 30 minutes a day is all you need. Okay, 30 minutes a day. This is my first ever stream with you guys. Awesome. Welcome, welcome, Saiteja. Okay, still nothing on the Forex Scalper Pro. Pretty much just ranging to the side. Okay, this is better. Sorry guys, I'm just making little adjustments. I don't like the way Cash has Zoom arranged up. But okay. Dirty. Testing out this region. Let's see. Okay, we could also pick up buyers from here, guys. We could pick up buyers from here and start to go back up. But if we happen to break past that 50 on market open, and if we happen to push down here as well, nice little move could be kicking in, okay? But GU, we pretty much hit TP on GU. Did anyone get in on GU? We're going down to hit TP. That's a solid 13 pip move on GU. We drop down to TP. That's going to be at least a 15, 16 pip move. Did no one take GU, guys? First time for stream with money in account, bro. Please take it easy, buddy. You want to first get on a demo account and see how we do things because we're aggressive scalpers. We're not your average YouTube traders. We truly believe in price action, and that's all we do. All right, so we're aggressive in these markets. So my recommendation to you would be start off with a demo account. Don't get in with your live money straight up. Even on the one-on-ones, there are quite a few people here from the one-on-ones with me. You could go ahead and ask them. I always get people to first start on a demo account. I was waiting for market open. Yeah, well, GU gave us the move, okay? GU hit TP straight there, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is 16 pip move on GU. Alright, if anyone caught it, congratulations. If y'all did, it's okay. Let's wait and watch. Okay, so I like gold is in a nice little trap right now. Nice little trap. Let's see if we want to maybe make this double bottom, break out of this distribution and successfully start a push higher. And maybe get that. Do you guys not hear me? Guys? Y'all can hear me? Okay. I don't know what you mean by that, Hiren, but okay. Thanks, guys. Okay, so it's a wait game for me now. We've got about, how much time to market open? We've got about 45 seconds to market open, alright, guys? Let's see. There you go, we're starting to push back down. We also have some demand that's built right over here, okay? So what could happen is either we break, test out this demand, or from this demand here, we start to pick up buyers and we start to push up. Alright, my inclination is definitely bullish on German, but y'all know it, it's a Friday, anything can happen. Please, guys, don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade. Your risk management is on you. Just don't be stupid in these markets, alright? This is market open in the next 5 seconds. Let's get it. Okay, US 30. Let's see if they want to push down further. Maybe close over here. Let's take a look at GU. Like I told you guys, picked up buyers. And gold is just ranging, still distributing their orders. Okay, positive news for EU. Look at that. Come on. Too flicky for me. I don't like those flicks, alright? Those red candles that become immediate green wicks. I don't like that. Zoe, stop. If we start to break this, I'm going to be looking for something like that on DAX, okay? But for the newer people on here, I'm just going to leave the safer break of structure entry up there for you guys. This would be my potential entry in the DAX. Zoe, stop. Okay, US 30 picking up some buyers as well. GU, solid rejection from our entry point. Okay, so now GU is doing something like that. Let's see if they want to respect, there you go, that. Okay, the buys will come in only and only if we want to do something like that. Okay, DAX is trying. We could definitely push down as well. I just like the double bottom that could possibly be coming in. As you guys can see, everything's gray, alright? What these gray bars mean is basically that we have nothing that's trending right now. Everything is just in our within our 70 and our 30. To me, this doesn't scream out opportunities. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trades, guys? Nope, 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 nope. Okay, good. Yeah, we shouldn't be. There's no reason for anyone to be in any trades right now. Since we have some time, what plans do you guys have for the weekend? Are y'all chilling? Are y'all working? What are y'all doing? Chilling? Awesome. Well, I have a working weekend, but I am looking forward to UFC 291. I am really, really looking forward to that. I don't know how many of you guys are into MMA over here, but yeah, I've been waiting on this card for quite some time. It's stacked. I'm an MMA fighter. Awesome, man. Awesome. I've never gotten the chance to physically get into MMA, but I have done a lot of karate. I am a brown 4 in karate, and yeah, I've always loved martial arts, always done martial arts as a kid. Alex is gonna win. Well, we've got to see, man. We've got to see. I think he can take it away. Um, but yeah, yeah, Lahovics is pretty good himself, though. He's been away for some time, but fun fight, fun fight. I'm actually looking forward to Wonder Boy's fight a lot. The guy's freaking. He's he's a killer with those strikes, man. So sharp, so sharp. Good morning, Saurav. Okay, literally nothing is going on in these markets right now. Nothing. We're just watching. Um, we've got zero sort of. I mean, GU was the only thing that really, really played out. Is only scalping done here? Yes, we're pure bred scalpers. We do nothing else. We only and only scalp these markets on the 5 minute time frame. Sometimes we even go down to the 1 minute time frames, but we're only scalpers. Watching DAX, yeah, me too. But I don't like this on DAX. I don't like this on DAX. I'd be looking for that. That's the move that I'd be looking for. But it is what it is. If it comes in, we get it, right? Who are we to say no to these markets? GU going down again to hit TP. We break this, and we potentially are going to push back down to this region. Sorry, guys. Give me a quick second. We straight up use a 1:1, but we deploy techniques in these markets to increase our risk to reward ratio. But we're looking for 1:1. We're aggressive scalpers, so we um, risk about 10 to 20 pips to catch 10 to 20 pips, but then how you do your risk management is up to you. So you could also risk 10 pips and catch 20, 30, 40 pips. It's up to you. Okay, again, they're testing out a trend line on the dirty. Let's see. Let's see. Zoe, you need to stop. Stop. Good girl. Stop. Okay, so far they're getting rejected from our trend line. I'm gonna make a little adjustment to this guy. Okay, let's make it a little tighter. Boom. Let's see. Guys, do y'all enjoy doing shit like this? Like, I don't understand why anyone would be, I'm sorry, but stupid enough to do something like this. Like, it's, you know what? screw it. I'm gonna have this on the screen for the rest of the stream because you guys are being dicks. Go ahead and be that way. Come on, guys. A little bit of respect, man. Stop being... If you're gonna act this way, there's no way you're gonna get to trade these freaking markets, alright? Be a little more mature about these things. Cash keeps telling me about it, and you guys are seriously... a lot of y'all are extremely ungrateful. Trust me. You guys enjoy this whilst it's free, because before y'all know it, we're gonna have a freaking gate over here. Because what we do over here, people charge $500 to $800 a month for. Trust me when I say this, okay? Stop taking us for granted, man, and just stop being childish, please. Gold's having a little bit of an impulse. GU still pushing down. I don't like gold right now. Extremely choppy, extremely wicky, not good for me. I mean, you've got to expect that after yesterday on gold, right? You guys remember the move we caught yesterday for gold? This drop. So I had someone yesterday when I was on London. I had someone tell me literally whilst I was on New York, whilst I was doing the session, someone literally messaged me and they were like, "Excuse me, bro. I pay $400 to a group that gives signals per month, and they all said buy, and I didn't listen to them, but everyone on that group lost money, and I got in on your trade, and I made $1,000. This is a message that someone sent me yesterday. People charge you guys $400, $500, $1,000 per month, and they give you all shitty analysis because none of them are price action traders the way we are. You'll need to realize that, okay? And over here, all we do is we trade zone to zone, and we trade pure price action. That being said, this is the move we caught yesterday for 380 pips, 280 pips. A little bit of an impulse on gold still kicking in. DAX, choppy. US 30. I like the sells kicking in on US 30, but they don't have enough momentum to do it right now. Huge respect for both of you, fam. Thank you so much, Saurav. Okay, DAX. Alright, so we now wait for that retest. Let's see if we want to get rejected from there. Okay, slightly higher. Come on. Okay, my MetaTrader is frozen on me. It's not letting me take a trade, which is horrible. Okay, maybe that's an indication that I don't need to be taking any sort of trades today. Let's see if a retest wants to kick in somewhere over here. Let's get the EMAs on as well. Alright, so we could definitely test that region out. I'm holding a position from 1945. My analysis says it'll break 2000. Well, best of luck with that, man. We don't swing trade over here. We're scalpers. Literally. That's our position for about 60 pips. We're not looking for swing trades. Okay, I'm in on DAX and I am running on DAX, alright? I got in at that rejection point and I am running by a couple of dollars, not too much. It's also a small position. I'm looking to break that low in order to get in with a nice Lambo position to bank maybe 5 or 10 pips and pull out my profits, okay? But so far, I'm running by about $700 on DAX. Where's my stop loss going to be for this guy? Right up there. Okay, I'm willing to risk that much on this trade because if this wants to be a fake out, it's just going to be a fake out. It is what it is, but it is also a Friday today. Okay, so we don't want to be stressing too much on Fridays. So let's see how this wants to play out, okay? All right, let's take a look at gold. Nothing on gold so far. Nothing on gold. Okay, I think DAX is about to hit my stop loss. Yep, I'm out of DAX. I'm out of DAX. All right, I just took a $545 loss on DAX, and I'm okay with that because it was a smaller position for my account. And again, like I said, this is an erratic market. We never really got any sort of confirmation. And to be fair, we were looking for the buys to begin with. That double bottom started to look good. But let's see how they react around this 5-minute resistance. And maybe, just maybe, I get in with a bigger position to actually catch this when we get some clear sort of movement in these markets. All right, but so far, not respecting TA. Okay, the drop below this would be my entry for another aggressive sell. Again, I'm just going to be looking for 5 pips. Okay, that's if we happen to drop below where my cursor is right now. 64. Extremely dopey, you guys. Stay away from these markets today. Seriously. Stop loss me too. Yep. Suppose we don't use any sort of strategies here, buddy. Please don't ask us about this stuff. We just trade price action. That's about it. Okay. We don't provide you guys with a strategy like a million other streamers. If you guys are looking for a strategy, like I said, there are a million other streamers that'll provide you with that. Okay. But we just trade price action. We give you guys a system. We break down the system on the one-on-ones, and there's nothing more to it than that. We don't believe in indicators. We don't believe in strategies. Stop loss, me too. It's all good, Shelby. I'm right with you on that boat, buddy. Do you live and trade in India or Dubai? Both. I am Indian, but I was born and raised in Dubai. I've lived there my whole life. Dubai is home, and India's home too. We're usually traveling back and forth. So why do you use EMA? For added confluence and added confirmation. We don't take trades based off of the EMA, but we use the EMA and we use the Forex Scalper Pro, which is our own aggregator of all of these trades, to give added confluence. We use funded and personal accounts, buddy. Cash uses our fundeds, we use our personals. So both be respectful. Thanks, Ed. So both join our streams, buddy. We've been doing this for a year, and you'll see what it is that we do. We trade zone to zone, and we are price action traders. Taking confluence from any sort of EMAs or RSI doesn't not make you a price action trader. Clearly, you're new over here and you don't know what we're doing, so please, before you try to pass your comments, join the streams, or if not, I'm more than okay getting you off of the stream right now. Please. That's the thing, we have so many we have so many people that take us for granted over here, guys. It's ridiculous. And the reason is because we're free right now. The second we start getting this shit, that's when people are going to start respecting what we do. That's barely an impulse, buddy. That's barely an impulse. You moved to Dubai? I'm from Dubai. I was born and raised in Dubai. I went to school there. I was born there. I came to Bombay for university. Kind of miss the old positive vibes during the PWL days. I agree, Alika. We've got a lot of people on here that, yeah, that basically just come and talk. Like, I'm also a pure price action trader, but never used indicators or something like that to get the confluence area. Well, then that's the way you trade, buddy. Good. Good on you. Good on you. Not among those who don't appreciate your work. Been your biggest fan recently. Got in touch with your reel on Insta. Reels wish to stack some cash like you someday. Cheers, buddy. We're always here to help our community. Listen, we know the ones that are appreciative, and we know the ones that are OG traders, like we've always said from the start. And we have a lot of people on here that are going to keep coming. This is only going to grow, and people are only going to come and spread their negativity, so they can go right ahead, because it's not going to make a difference to us. We're still going to do what we're best at, and that's building our army of millionaires. Okay, you guys? Appreciate you, Zed. Appreciate you, my man. Cheers. I always end up losing some on Fridays. Bro, I'm right with you in that boat. I'm down a couple of hundred right now, and I'm okay with that. So both, just to get back to you, if you're a pure price action trader, you don't even need to be on the stream, buddy. Just putting it out there. What do you mean by impulse? An impulse is the first candle that pushes higher. All right, the first candle that pushes in your box, a buy box or a sell box, is known as the impulse. So the way we trade these markets is all these areas that we give you are BOS areas, known as break of structure regions. So if you happen to break past here, this first candle that goes into your box is what's known as the impulse. And the way we'd be looking to trade this is you want the impulse to close. You want to have price retest your supply that turns into demand. You then want to have a rejection from this demand, and you want to break your previous impulsive candle. So that's going to be your entries in for the Lambo. Do fib levels work in the markets? Can we execute a trade based on fib levels? Absolutely, you can, buddy. The analysis that we do, this is what's known as the top-down analysis. This is pretty much us marking out key areas of support and resistance. You could use the fibs as well. They will give you a similar, well, I wouldn't even say identical, but a similar result. But I don't trust an indicator. I trust my own eye with these markets more than I do the fibs. But yes, 100%. You can use the fibs, and you'll still have your key levels marked up on your charts. Okay, I'm just watching, guys. I've taken a little bit of an L today, and I'm just watching. I don't see anything going on. All right, so US 30 is beginning to go overbought on the daily time frame. Okay, just beginning to go overbought. All right, so now again, like we spoke about, even though the sells when we started the session were starting to look good, but for now we broke past, we retested, rejected, and we pushed high. Okay, now what's important is we need to know whether this supply is going to stay as supply, or if we're going to break past it and make a demand successfully. Okay. I got into gold buy at 1942, and then my phone stopped charging. You don't want those sort of mistakes to kick in into your trading style, brother. I had someone on the one-on-ones with me that literally, never mind, that's a long story. It's all good. Alright, so now this is what's known as an impulse. Whoever was asking me about what an impulse is, this is the impulse. Okay, so let's see if this candle wants to close up in our box in the next 3 minutes. And then let's see if we're going to have a retest, a rejection, and a push. If that's not going to happen, the sellers are going to kick in from supply, and we're going to start to push back down. Okay. How do you apply your Forex scalper indicator? It's not for you guys. It's not available to everyone. We've coded this for ourselves, and y'all don't have access to it. Gold is kind of trying to push up. Kind of shot it by 65 based on. Yeah, no, just stay away from gold, man. super choppy right now. Let gold do either or. You have the levels marked out for gold. Okay, and listen, these levels that we give you guys, these are break of structure areas. So these levels are static levels. Okay, so it doesn't matter if price test these levels out now, later, after the stream, or next week, but these zones will still be applicable and you'll still be able to get in and make your money on these zones. Alright guys, I'm gonna stay for another 5 minutes. Give me a quick second. Sorry guys, I was just replying to Cash. This is what I mean, alright? For now, sellers. What are the best scripts to trade in Forex? What do you mean by scripts? Do you mean securities? Whatever you'd like, man. We do gold, US 30, Nasdaq, GU, EU, oil. Those are the ones we usually trade here, but it's whatever you like. And don't keep flip-flopping between securities. Try to trade one, master that, and move on. Because all of these, they do a different dance, and you wanna sort of try and understand how one moves before moving on to the next one, okay? Because you guys need to understand that quality is better than quantity. The way we trade, the way we put it out on the one-on-ones for our Forex fam is we set a system. We set rules. We know when to stop trading and when to start trading. And like I said, we're aggressive scalpers. We're not like your average YouTube people that sit on streams for 3, 4, 5 hours and get it done, okay? We get in, get out, and we try to keep the streams as short as possible. Guys, give me a quick second. Cash is here. I need to get the dough for her, okay? I'm going to be back. Watch the charts. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I am back, and I'm going to give it away to my lovely wife, okay, because she's here. She's about to take over. I'm signing out for the week. Take care, you guys. Cash FX is here.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. I just came back. Let's see what these markets they have for us. Seems like we're choppy right now. Good morning guys. Good morning, good morning. It was a surprise for you that Cram FX came on, and as soon as I came, maybe looks like we're gonna get some moves on US 30. Let's see, we need to break this wick, the previous wick. Same thing, we're making some sort of the buys look good over here, guys, okay? We can start buying into the supply because yes, we know that today is Friday and Fridays are choppy. US 30 is trying. We're trying to break out of a pattern over here. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, look at US 30 on the daily. We're trying to cross 70. Chances are if we get good momentum, we can push up. Okay, so let's see what we're going to get. Daily is trying to break 70. 5 minute is also trying to break 66. We're at 66 right now. Let's see, guys. Seems like choppy markets, right? Nothing much is happening. Did anyone take anything? Did anyone take any trades today? Feeler, no feeler, anything? Just give me a second, guys. Took an L on DAX. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Markets are choppy, and DAX does seem like that it did not give the impulse that we were looking for. But you all need to realize that the DAX is always trying to fill the gaps, okay? And as soon as it fills the gaps, it wants to move into the different direction. Not always, but most of the times. That's what I've been seeing for a couple of weeks now. So we fill the gap over here, and then we caught support from this area, okay? We're trying to move up. Looks like there's a pattern over here that they were trying to complete. They never completed it, but they caught support from this area. They caught buyers from this area, and they pushed up, okay? They just filled this gap. That's what they wanted to do, and now they're pushing up. Ma'am, are you from India? Yes, Shashi Kumar, I am from India. Look at this. 4H resistance. We need to break this, and then we can push up. But nothing as of now. What is gold doing? Gold is not doing anything. Nothing. Let's not even look at gold. Okay, I'm more interested in US 30. Let's see how this candle closes, guys. Okay. If you want to short gold, that will be below the demand zone. Also, guys, hearing some things, just putting it out there. Any disrespect on the sessions for us, for the team, or for the group, or for the community, you will straight up get banned. We're doing this for free, guys, and irrespective of whether we're doing it for free or not, nobody has the right to sit here and disrespect us. If you do that, I'm straight up gonna ban you. Okay? I'm not gonna take that shit from anyone. I'm not gonna do that. So if you're here, you want to learn with us, come. We'll respect you. We'll all learn together. But if you're here to do anything more than that, straight up, I'm gonna ban you. And if you all think, if anyone is thinking that they're better than this, then you don't have to simply join the session. Respectfully, you can leave the sessions and never, ever come back to Forex trading. But guys, you all need to realize that we're doing this for you guys right now for free. Even if we weren't free and we were charging for it, we're giving some value out. And there are so many people out here who are making money. Okay, who are making money out of this, out of what we're teaching here. So respect that. If you can't respect that, then respectfully leave, or else I'll have to ban you. Okay, not gonna take any shit or any disrespect from anyone. Just putting it out there. Seems like we're waiting for the next hourly momentum to sort of get the moves, guys. Okay, the next 30-minute momentum opened up, but doesn't seem like we want to move up. But this will be a good break of structure if you want to break it. Seems like they want to come down. Let's see. This will also be a good break of structure if you try to break it. Let's see the kind of moves that we're going to get. Okay. Let's look at the RSI. Okay, seems like we still trying on the daily to break the 70, but we don't have enough momentum. Okay, and as you can see, 1 hour is around 48. Whenever the RSI is around 50, they try to play little games with us, and that's what they're trying to do at this point. Okay, so we have to be careful in these markets. EU falling so you want to trade EU. You're trading EU. That's great. I'm really proud of you, Tusu. Keep up the good work. I don't know, guys. This is chop. Look at this. If you try to break this pattern, what is this pattern, guys? One-on-ones. What is the pattern on DAX? Trying to chart it myself daily. That's great. Gold dropping. Okay. Let's break this structure, guys. Okay, now the chances are we could come down to the demand zone. Okay, the buys can be from here. We could come down from the demand zone. We could pick up support from demand zone, push up. And if we break our 15-minute support, chances are we could push up. And those could be the buys. Or we could go down, retest our demand zone and fall down further. It is a double bottom on DAX. That's what we're trying to do. Maybe we break it. Maybe US 30 wants to break it. Let's see. Okay, gold is trying, but nothing definitive at this point. So let's wait and watch patiently. And Tusu, that's a very good habit. You're charting it yourself, but just be careful because you know how these levels are. But yeah, it's safer to trade forex pairs than trading indices and commodities because they're more erratic. Okay, look at that US 30. Let's try to break this. Okay, let's see. We need to catch buyers from here. Yes, double bottom. Look at that. Nothing much is happening, guys. Fridays, okay? I'm sure these are going to play out. I'm 1000% sure they're going to hit these levels. I just don't know when. We need volume for that. Okay, maybe US 30 is trying right now. This candle looks beautiful to me. This is at this point, this is an engulfing. Okay, this is an engulfing, my favorite kind of candle. Everyone's favorite kind of candle, I think. Engulfing, and yes, we're pushing on both DAX and US 30, guys. Let's see. Come on, let's break it. Markets are good to trade every day, but we try to mostly take smaller lots, smaller positions on Mondays and Fridays. Okay, next demand zone would be here for gold, where my cursor is, where the TP is. That's why the TP is still there. And if you look at it, on the left side, there's a lot of chop. So you could be, I mean, I'm not saying you won't get the move. Maybe you'll get the move, but it will get resisted and then it'll fall down. It's not going to be a clean move unless there's a news or something coming out. Okay? Again, we're getting rejected from 4H. Also, guys, I'm going to stay for another 5 minutes for the next candle. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. You know that. Then we, all of us, will stay away from the markets. We've already made our profits. We did what we had to do. We made our money. We made our pips. And if we don't get it, we don't have to be forcing these trades upon ourselves. We don't have to do that. We don't have to get in. We don't want to lose the profits that we made. Look at this. These are higher highs with the wicks. Chances are we can push up, but there's no volume, right, guys, in these markets. We need to close above these wicks, guys. We need to close above. We need to close above our supply zone. And I would appreciate, like, I'm talking to markets right now. I would really appreciate. Okay, we closed. Okay, we closed within our supply zone, and now we're trying to catch buyers from there. Let's see. I'm just seeing this candle, and if it doesn't happen, guys, I'm going to finish this session because, trust me, there is no point staying. Markets are choppy. You and I, we'll get into some trades that we wouldn't want to, and we'll lose money, and we're not going to do that. Okay, your lot size is going to be different for every instrument that you trade, for every time frame that you trade, and every market open that you trade. So it really depends on the, like, it's a different thing altogether. This whole part, it's a part of risk management and money management. It's a whole vast topic, and we can't cover this on lives. I'm so sorry about it, Zed. We can't do that. Your risk management, your lot sizing keeps changing according to the instrument that you're trading and when you're trading and how you're trading it. And yes, thanks, babe, for reminding me. And stop losses too. Your stop loss, your TP, everything changes. Your lot sizes, everything changes according to the market that you're trading and according to the instrument that you're trading, depending upon the liquidity that is there in the markets. Okay, every day it changes. It cannot be the same. Okay, guys, I just got to know that Cram also took a small L on DAX, and he's not trading further. I have not taken a single trade, and looking at this chop, I don't want to either. I'm going to finish the session up, guys. Nothing much is happening, and I really don't want to lose the money that I made this week, guys. I really don't want to. It was a very, very choppy session. You all have my levels, right? So you can trade. Look at that. Look at that on gold. Careful. From how much capital should I start as a beginner? If you're a beginner and you don't know anything about these markets, I would recommend you start with a demo account. Whatever capital that you want to put in, you can do that, but start with a demo account, because these markets, they're crazy, and you need to know these markets inside out to be able to trade them. So my recommendation to you, everyone starts with a demo account. When I started as a trader, guys, when I started my trading journey, I traded demo for 2 years. I'm not gonna lie. I did not have the confidence, and also I had my husband telling me that you need to practice first. You need to practice first. So I practiced 2 years on a demo, and after that I got onto a live account. Trust me when I say this. I'm not bluffing. This is what I did. So just be extremely careful, guys. And also, guys, the people who are coming here every day respecting us, we're going to be here, be there for you guys, answering all your questions, because respect, if you're getting the respect and the love that we deserve over here, you're going to get it back in the terms of these markets that we're giving you, the education that we're giving you. And we're here for you guys as long as you guys are being respectful and not saying anything. And thank you so much, Zed. That's very sweet of you. And that's it, guys. That was it. That was today's session. Nothing much is happening. You all have my levels. Just see US 30. This is DAX. And this is gold. If anyone is trading this chart, be extremely, extremely careful. And also, weekend express packages. If you want to have your session on Saturday or Sunday, just message me today so that I can schedule it for you guys. Okay? Keon, don't trade further. You shouldn't have lost 2%. If you're losing 2% today on a Friday, you're doing something extremely wrong with your risk management and money management. So keep a check on that, and please don't trade further. We can come back on Monday and trade together, but please stay away from these markets. And if you're trading, also please take a feeler, nothing more than that. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. It was not a very good session, but nonetheless, we always learn on London and on New York. Whatever that we're doing, these markets are always teaching us something or the other. So thank you so much, guys, for being here with me. Have a great weekend, you all. I will see you all for London on Monday. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.